What if I told you there's a small but real chance that an asteroid could hit Earth in 2032? Sounds like science fiction, right? But NASA is actually tracking one right now. The big question is, should we be worried? Space is full of surprises, and sometimes those surprises come in the form of giant space rocks hurling toward Earth. One of those rocks is Asteroid 2024 YR4, which scientists just discovered in December 2023. It's between 130 to 300 feet wide, big enough to cause serious damage if it were to hit a city. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory has already done the math, and right now, they estimate a 1.6% chance of impact on December 22nd, 2032. That might sound small, but in space terms, it's enough to get scientists' attention. So, let's break it all down. How dangerous is this asteroid? Could we stop it? And what happens if it actually hits? How bad would an impact be? To understand the potential damage, let's look at history. Back in 1908, an asteroid of similar size exploded over Siberia, flattening 830 square miles of forest. If something like that happened over a populated area today, it would be catastrophic. Not on a global scale, but for that city, it would be devastating. Now, let's talk numbers. On the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, which ranks asteroid threats from 0 to 10, this asteroid is currently at 3. That means it's worth keeping an eye on, but not an immediate danger. For comparison, an asteroid ranked 10 would be a world-ending event, and thankfully, there's nothing like that on our radar right now. Can we stop it? The good news? We're not powerless against space threats. In 2022, NASA's DART mission successfully changed an asteroid's course by crashing a spacecraft into it. This proved that we can push space rocks off their path if we have enough warning. But here's the thing, we don't have precise data on 2024 YR4 yet. Scientists will get a much clearer picture in 2028 when the asteroid swings by Earth again. If it still looks like a threat, NASA could consider using a similar deflection method. And even in the worst-case scenario, we would get advance warning, enough time to evacuate people from the impact zone. It wouldn't be a fun day, but at least it wouldn't come out of nowhere. So, should we panic? Number, but should we pay attention? Absolutely. Right now, the chances of impact are low, and by 2028, we'll know for sure whether this asteroid is just another space rock passing by or something we actually need to prepare for. What do you think? Should we be worried about space threats? Or is this just another asteroid that'll miss us completely? Let's talk in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on what's happening beyond our planet.